Nhai mẹ strawberry the tramlorry they are retirement atare takle bunda pehe hello strawberry tramlorry retirement mo về tập bữa tali để tập thì tama bữa này lại những là tare takle bula nó đâu nó để thi đã taku đó nó pakai gì quẹt quá là là nó tadi tahu so ya là nó alright đó đủ phải nhá là cứ tại chưa cóว่าซาวิวิสวานอ๋อcái đó lý vậy là hiểu tao bùi lên hả bạn nhớ tao lên rồi nhở các bạn nhớ tao rồi còn là bạn bạn khá là nhở quên nhá bây giờ đi cái lớn là nhở lên tao lori lên đó này ở đây cái gì thay đó là đó giờ đi qua mày sao mày qua mày qua xa nó ăn bên nào nữa nó đây cái gì vậy bao nhiêu tao giờ đó bao nhiêu tao giờ đó lo cuál lo vale lo cuál lo lên nữa để lo cuál phải đó chi đó đây là nụ và đấy đó cuál xí lo đó đâu phi để cuál lo lơ để nộp hẳn lên luôn là quẹt kế đó ba cái volleyball phải không mấy đó cái volleyball đó
And we also wanted to share a few words, and Lori got like suckered into it somehow, but you'll hear from them directly. But before we jump into that, Nathan Jones, our board president, has a few things to say.
Thank you, Debbie. Like Debbie said, my name is Nathan Jones. I'm serving as the board president of City of Refuge this year. And I wanted to share a few words for Barry and Lori from our behalf of the directors. So there's many things we thank the two of you for, but I'm going to focus on 3 things. So the first is on behalf of the board of directors, I want to thank you for your years of
pickleball or I imagine Lori with millions of wonderful ideas of how they can do more and be more and do better and care more deeply, and Barry listening intently and then inserting sarcastic quips here and there. Work never stayed at the office. Their lives have always been lives that have been lived on a mission. And I imagine most people in this room have actually known the schools much longer than the 5 years that I've got to know them. Many of you have seen the schools through many of their endeavors and passions and free.
Okay, I'm gonna try and get through this. Debbie, that was very, very kind. Everybody coming tonight, everybody that's here. We received messages from people who couldn't make it, and we have felt extremely loved. It's very, very humbling. Words can't describe how we're feeling right now. So I'll probably maybe just read as well. Debbie, thanks for pulling this, having this, and the staff who organized and put it together and got all this delicious food and everything. Thank you for your work. So
many parts of our community who have made it possible for Lori and I to do what we do. We couldn't do, there's no way that we could have the legacy, the accomplishments that we've had without so many people out in our community. And I had made a list of all the different aspects, business owners, law enforcement, doctors. I mean, it would have gotten way too long. Lori said, Barry, do not talk too long. Just keep it going. But
if there's one thing that I hope that people remember from our time at City of Refuge, it is this, that God loves the refugee.
Yay!
I would often say it to whomever was listening after I shared an answer to a prayer for a job, or a solution to a family problem, or even just like today, there was a payment that came through for a roof that wasn't supposed to come through. We have also been privileged to be recipients of God's love through our refugee friends, as they allowed us to be welcomed into their homes, their celebrations, and their care for us. We know that City of Refuge will continue to shine with God's love to our new neighbors, because so many of you understand the great value in doing so. I know God loves the refugee. He will always love them. And so will those that recognize that we are all like refugees and that we need each other to make it through all the new transitions and the obstacles in life. We will continue to ask God to bless this work for as long as it's needed. Thank you all for being a part of His love.
I'm ready.
16 years ago, before City of Refuge, there was Lori Stone. And I remember her dragging me over to Ash Street Apartments, to an apartment full of Burmese.
Oh no.
And later she brought Chin Chin into it to interpret for us. A few nights later she said, there's some Africans over here, let's go talk to them. Pretty soon, I was going to Ash Street Apartments every day with Lori Stoll. And I'm just going to tell you, there were refugees that came to Columbia because they were told, Lori and Cheryl will help you. Do you remember? So Lori started this whole thing. And I just love you that you let me be a part of it for about 10 years. So I love both of you. Thank you.
It is hard to put everything into words.